Hello, welcome to Bestify Tech. In this video, we're gonna see how to convert images from PNG to JPG to reduce file size using built-in Windows tools. Begin by locating the PNG image you wish to convert on your PC. Hover over the picture. You can see the size of the picture. It is showing 10.3 MB. Right click on the image, hover over open with, select paint, click on file, click on save as, then JPEG picture. Select your file destination, then click save. Hit OK. You have successfully converted your PNG image to JPG format using the built-in Windows tool. Let's check the image file size of the new JPG file. It is showing 1.7 MB only. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and make sure to subscribe the channel.